The objective of this laboratory activity is to determine the amount of water of crystallization in a hydrate. Materials used during the laboratory activity. Procedures: weigh the clean, dry, evaporating dish and record its weight. Next step is to weigh the dish exactly 1 gram of copper sulfate crystals. Then heat the crystals in the evaporating dish and then occasionally stirring until the blue color is lost or removed from the crystals.
A few moments later.
Allow the evaporating dish and its content to cool, then weigh and record the weight. After weighing, put 3 to 5 drops of water to the substance left after heating. Then record your observation. And now, presented on your screen are the experimental data that we gathered during our experimentation. Then we have the calculations involved. First is the loss in weight of hydrate. Second is the percent of H2O in hydrate. And lastly is the theoretical amount of H2O in the hydrate. So here is the chemical reaction involved in the removal of water of hydration from the hydrated copper sulfate. Then let us answer some questions in this experiment. To answer the first question, how does your experimental value compare with your theoretical value? And do you expect them to be the same? And why? So based on the results of our experiment, the value of our theoretical is lesser than our experimental value, which this means due to the fact that our measurement or measuring equipment differs and it is not that accurate. This may be due to its limitation. And to answer the second question, what must have been the cause of the difference, if any, and then give an explanation for the experimental results obtained. So first, it might be the experimental errors that us students have encountered, and it might be caused by our statistical errors or maybe the systematic errors which have been combined in order to give the true value. So our theoretical value is the calculated value that is determined by the theory or taken as a known or accepted value.